What's up, family? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we are about to do a liquidation sale. I have 4 pieces of stale inventory on my lot. So what I'm about to do is liquidate them. Cash only, and they're gonna be wholesale prices. I need them gone, and I need them gone fast. Let's see if we can actually do this. Let's see if we can get them to move quickly. Today is Friday, and we're putting the cars on liquidation sale pretty late. This idea just dawned on me, so I'm headed to the car lot now to help Deborah out with putting the cars on liquidation. We're gonna do all new photographs off-site. We're gonna do all new numbers on the windshields, and we're gonna repackage them. I'm also gonna be buying some ads on YouTube. Not YouTube, sorry, on Facebook to push it. So let's see if we can get all 4 of these units sold this weekend. It is Labor Day weekend, so we'll see. Like I said, they are 4 pieces of stale inventory. Had them on my lot for over my threshold. So at this point, I need to free up that capital and buy some fresh inventory. The thing that most people know about Deal Mart is that we always have fresh inventory, new cars. And so right now, that is not happening because we are holding the inventory that we have for longer than we need to. So liquidation sale begins now. I'll check in with you guys when I get to the lot and kind of show you the beginning to the end, from beginning to the end of getting ready for that liquidation sale and what we decided to do. And then I'll make a part 2 to this video to let you guys know pretty much how successful we were with the liquidation sale. It's gonna run from Friday to Monday, cash only. So here we go.
A few moments later.
All right, so we're on the lot and we have gotten the cars all tagged up. The liquidation sale is on. I'm gonna show you how we have it set up. I'm gonna show you the prices on the cars, and then we're gonna chit chat. So let me show you the prices here. So here we go, we got them on the road today. We got the Fusion 1660. That's what we have into it. And taking care of the sales manager for getting paid. We have the Sorrento front line. We got 1600 on it. I think I bought this one for 1200. And then we have this Patriot here for 1200 cash. So we have our liquidation sale happening right now. And then we have the Trailblazer behind the gate for 1660. And the reason I'm doing this is because this inventory is stale. So I can take it to the auction, which is an option as well. Take it to the auction and sell them there. Wholesale them at the auction. But here's the catch. I'm gonna pay a fee if I take them to the auction. So for this weekend, being Labor Day, this weekend only, we're liquidating them here at the lot. So versus paying the sales fee at the auction, let me just offer it to the consumer at the same price I would floor it at the auction. So that's basically what we're doing here. And the purpose is to get out of these vehicles, free up the capital, and bring some fresh inventory in for the lot. It has been very interesting these last few days. So, few weeks, actually. Last 2 weeks have been pretty tough. So we needed to do that in order to bring in some new inventory. Then we have 2 repos over there. Got my key man coming. That van is a brand new repo. So, so yeah. Let me talk to y'all. Let me get in here. I'm gonna chit chat with you. So that's what we got. So that is how I have set up the cars. That's what I've priced them at. And Deborah is getting ready to show something. You guys may get a glimpse of Deborah. Deborah does not want to be in the videos. She don't like the whole video vibe, but I'm gonna show y'all Deborah. That's Deborah. You see her from the rear, that's all you get. With a back turn. That's what we got, guys. That is what we have. And we got them right on the road. And we've had already about 4 drive-bys stopping in from just driving by, seeing the cars priced very cheap, cash only. And we have another one that's coming right here, right now. So it's shaking and baking. It is shaking and baking here at Del Mar. So that's the whole purpose of doing your liquidation sale. When you got those stale inventory, I would say versus, you know, trying to run them through the auction and paying all of those fees, offer it to the consumer, and you'll see, you know, you'll see that traffic increase at your lot. I also ran an ad that I will show y'all a snippet of right here. So yeah, that's the ad that I ran for the area here, and basically just letting them know that the price is firm and giving them a synopsis of each vehicle so that they have an indicator of what it is that they're going to be getting into. So that's what we got. And yeah, so I will let y'all know part 2 of this video, how the actual, you know, if the liquidation sale was successful, how many we sold. We're running Friday until Monday, close the business Monday. So I guess they didn't like that one, or I guess they're about to do a test drive on it. So I'm gonna head out. I feel like that truck is waiting as well, and she's working with them. Let me get out and go talk to this truck here and see what's going on. Also, I want to answer a couple questions that you may be thinking while you're watching this video. So why, Raymond, are you doing a liquidation sale? Well, the reason I'm doing a liquidation sale is because I have inventory that is, number one, stale, meaning it's not getting a lot of traction. We're not getting a lot of test drives. We're not getting a lot of foot traffic onto the lot for those specific vehicles. Second reason is mechanically those vehicles all have issues. None of them are major issues that prohibit them from driving, but they are issues nonetheless. So the obstacle, the climb is pretty steep on those particular cars. And so when you couple that with how long I've had them, it just makes sense to fold. When you play poker, you get 2 cards, right? Or at least Texas Hold'em poker, right? You get 2 cards. And with those 2 cards, you have to make a decision. You have to make a decision to either raise or fold. And so this is the time to fold. So those are the 2 reasons why I'm doing it. So if you have inventory on your lot that has been in your inventory for over a month or over 3 weeks, I would definitely say consider it. Here's what you got to understand in the car business. Sometimes you hit a ball, like think about baseball. Sometimes you hit a line drive, and then sometimes you hit a home run. And then sometimes you foul out. And then sometimes you strike out. So it's no different in the car business. When you buy a vehicle and that vehicle is on your lot and you're not getting enough traction to be able to move that vehicle, you have to consider that you have either fouled out or struck out. Now, you don't strike out unless the vehicle breaks while it's under your ownership, right? Like the engine goes out, transmission goes out. Now it's been devalued. Just having some corks and things like that, you should be able to wholesale it, sell it for a wholesale price to the retail customer. Meaning you fouled. You didn't strike out because you're not going to lose anything except time. And truth be told, time is more valuable than the money, in my opinion. So you are losing that time that you will never get back, because your money is tied up for a certain period of time. And for that time, you are going to make whatever amount of profit that you're looking to make. So yeah, so if you're having that challenge, then I think that you need to also do a liquidation sale, or whatever you want to call it. But basically, you drop the price to where you break even and you buy new inventory. That's where we are. And I decided to do it throughout the Labor Day weekend, because a lot of people are, they're out and about, they're not working, they're kind of they have more time, more free time. So that is why I decided to do it when I did it. So yeah. All right, well, I will check in with you on part 2 of this video, let you know how it went, and hopefully it's a positive video. Yeah, so until next time, man, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
A few moments later.
All right, so I am back home, and my garage. I'm cleaning my garage, man. It is a mess. But listen, I'm back home, and we've already sold one of the cars on the liquidation sale today. So we sold the Sorrento for $1,600 cash. That was a rough driving truck. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. So part 2 will I'll do part 2 on Monday to let you know kind of the full run of the liquidation sale. We do have a lot of messages over the last hour. I put up the ad for the liquidation sale maybe about 3 hours ago. And we've gotten, at least a half a dozen, if not a dozen messages from that ad. So I think it's going to be well received. I think we should be able to liquidate all of the cars and then start anew at the auction and building up the inventory. So just want to share that with you. That's where we are. So one car sold so far in a couple hours after starting the liquidation sale. So if you're in this situation, do the liquidation sale at your lot before you take those cars to the auction, because it's going to take you, you got to hire drivers if you're the only one, or you got to tow them to the auction. That's if they still run, right? I mean, so yeah, so there you go. I'm not going to make this part long at all, but just wanted to share that. So I will see you on part 2. Peace.